Let me tell you, I'm a young man. I have nowhere to go. I can't flee from my country. I can't get mistreated in foreign land. Please create possibilities I am tired to live. I cannot live this anymore. To see how students like me get assassinated. We have nowhere to go. What are you guys deciding to do with me, who has no place to go? Everything's expensive. We cannot eat. Gas price rising so high.
We can't afford to pay taxi to go to school.
Still we fight, we make it to school. On foot under the hot sun, even walking on foot. We are scared of getting kidnapped.
I don't know what else to do. I beg you please hear my voice. Do this for me. I don't have anywhere else to go. This is where I have. I can't go anywhere. That's where I have. And that's where I want to reside. We don't need much. Just a little security and some food to eat. And you can hold on to the rest. We don't need much. You know our nation don't need much. Please and please, I beg of you.